Let's face it, everything is so uncertain when it comes to pricing, except for Dollar Tree, because we know exactly what we are paying. However, sometimes it can be overwhelming to know what to pick up or what's actually in store. That is why I'm going to walk you through the store and show you exactly what you should be buying right now. Hello and welcome. My name is Jennifer, and I love easy DIYs and budget decor, and I would consider myself a Dollar Tree expert. So it is perfect that I'm going to take you through the store and show you exactly what you should be picking up right now. So let's get to it. If you are looking at throwing any kind of summer party, you definitely want to check out the summer collection at Dollar Tree because they have everything you need for any kind of summer party, including a luau. And oh boy, are their summer signs super cute. Now, don't forget, you want to check out Dollar Tree's napkins. They have some really cute ones. I love these lemon ones. I actually grabbed those and I used them to create this lemonade stand. Oh, to me, lemons and summer go hand in hand. And this lemonade stand was absolutely so easy to do. I'm going to make sure I link the video for you if you're interested in recreating it. Now, the flip-flops at Dollar Tree are an absolute must grab because they have such a wide selection, whether you're looking for them, whether it's full side, after a great pedicure, or you just need a really good pair of shower shoes. Now, if you need a pair for your little one, yes, they have a good selection for them too. I always like to pick up sunglasses for my kids at Dollar Tree because, face it, they break them anyway. And if the sun is in their eyes, I never can seem to get a good photo because somehow their eyes and their smile is attached. I would be shocked if you have not seen Dollar Tree's Shore Living collection, but for some reason, if you haven't already, you need to hurry into store now because this stuff is flying off the shelves. It is so good. If you are looking for any sort of coastal decorating, whether it is just to go in your home for everyday decor or you are throwing any sort of a party, this is the area that you want to check out. So many cute items. I absolutely love it. Now, my favorite items in this would have to be these starfish and these matching sand dollars. They are super cute and they make the easiest and cutest DIYs or tablescapes like I have done here. Absolutely, you need to go and check out this entire collection. Now, if you're looking for a little bit of red, white, and blue, make sure you check out Dollar Tree's Patriotic section. They bring it back every single year, but these poppers are brand new this year and one of my favorite items, especially if you have little ones that would love to participate in fireworks and firecrackers. These are a great alternative because they will not hurt themselves, but they are still a lot of fun. Now, flags are another great thing that Dollar Tree has. They have these that hang on the wall, and these are super long and large. Then you have your more traditional flag as you see here, but my favorite, honestly, is just this pack of 3 because they make great centerpieces, especially if you put it in something like one of these vases or in a jar. Absolutely must have pickups. And if you can't get enough of gnomes, Dollar Tree has brought out a red, white, and blue patriotic theme. You have all these different signs and this cute little doll. Now, I personally have some pretty strong feelings when it comes to barbecues, but it really is not summer until you can light up that grill, and Dollar Tree has such a great barbecue selection. One of my absolute favorites are these super long skewers. These are like 3 times, 4 times longer than your traditionals. I personally like to use them for DIYs, but can you imagine the shish kebabs that you can make with these? But if they're not your thing, that's okay because Dollar Tree also has the expanded forks that you can use as well. I like myself a really good s'more, but have you tried roasting a starburst? Yep, and you can just thank me later. Dollar Tree has actually been carrying this Red Buffalo check for the last few years, but they upped it this year and added this grill, eat, chill, repeat on numerous of their items, and I think it is so cute. So you have it on the towel, the oven mitt, and even on the little ketchup and mustard bottles. I mean, seriously, you are gonna have the cutest barbecue ever. And no good barbecue would be good without the ice, and Dollar Tree definitely is the best price in town, so make sure you grab your bag of ice. If you are like me, then you have some birthday parties that you are celebrating this summer, and I don't want you to forget about the party section because Dollar Tree has some of the best prices in town, and they have a plethora of birthday banners for you to choose from. And for that $1.25, you cannot beat it. It is such a fantastic deal. And for all your options, make sure that you go and you see all the different ones that they have, and I bet you will find one that will match your needs. Did you know that Dollar Tree carries everything you need to decorate your own cakes? Now, that is one of the areas that I have such a hard time paying the money. Cakes get so expensive. So I prefer to do it myself, or in my case, honestly, my husband is so kind and so good that he makes ours. And Dollar Tree has all the tools that you need so that you can do it and save yourself so much money. My husband recently just used these cake combs to make a cake recently for my son. I think the cake turned out so beautiful, but honestly, as beautiful as it is, it tasted even better. If you have any travel plans this summer, you want to make sure that you are checking out Dollar Tree's travel section. They have so many good items to look at, but let me narrow you down to a few really specific ones, starting with the individually wrapped hand sanitizers. These are some of my favorites. I love to toss a few of those in my bag at all times. Another one of my favorite are these cord organizers. They're not only great for travel, they're also good for at home, and I like to get the different colors. That way I can organize my different cords. Now here is actually my travel bag. I have this always ready to go with all my charging cords, and I really love how this just keeps my cords nice and tidy. Now another really great item are these tech cases. You might find them in the travel section, or you could find them in the tech section. I have found them at both places depending on the Dollar Tree. Now these are great for putting in your earbuds, especially if you're traveling so you don't lose them, but honestly, I really like to use them when I'm traveling for my jewelry. They are the perfect size. But let me show you a quick difference. If you get a solid one, it doesn't have the little pocket inside, but the ones with the design do, and that is absolutely my preference. Did you know that Dollar Tree also carries photo paper? Okay, how many of us are guilty of taking photos on a vacation, but then we never print them? They just sit on our phone forever. Well, now we have no more excuses. Print those photos. Dollar Tree has their summer toys in, and let me tell you, sometimes you do get what you pay for, but there are still some good gems in here, and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, starting with their beach toys. Now, there are some specific ones that I want you to draw your eyes to, starting with this really cute shovel and rake set. I love this, but they also have a larger shovel if you want to grab that as well. And of course, you're gonna need a pail at the beach, but oh, some of my favorites would have to be these molds. We have had hours of fun using Dollar Tree beach toys while we are at the beach. Dollar Tree is the best place to get sidewalk chalk, and in the summertime, they bring out this large case, so you wanna grab it then. I absolutely love having this on hand at all times. Right now is also the perfect time to pick up a pool noodle or two, whether you're going to use them in the pool or if you are like me and you like to use them in other ways, it doesn't matter. It's definitely the time that you want to grab your pool noodles. Dollar Tree is definitely the best place to grab a hula hoop, whether you want to give yourself a really good core workout or again, if you like to pick them up to do yourself a great DIY, hula hoops are fantastic. Now, I personally think they make really great larger wreaths, or I actually have used one to make this canopy for my sister in her classroom. Either way, grab yourself a hula hoop. Right now, Dollar Tree has their larger bottles of bubbles, so if you need some bubbles, pick them up now because you are going to get the biggest bang for your buck. If you are looking for other ways to entertain your kids this summer, let me point out a few other toys for you right now, like this dustpan and broom set. How adorable is this? I love it. What little one would not like to mimic their parent while sweeping? Super cute. Another one of my favorites has to be this little cross stitch, because if you have someone that wants to learn, or even someone that even knows how, they have several different options for you to choose from, and this can keep them entertained for hours. Now, these blocks are compatible with their name brand duplicate, but they are fantastic if you are like me and have anyone that loves to play with Legos, then these are a must-have grab, and I love that they come in these color separated packs. Now, not only do I love this, but you can also pick yourself up a box and a set of figurines to go along with them. I have pointed this one out before, but I'm going to point it out again because it is so good. If you have a car lover, you want to pick up these Matchbox tracks because it is the best price in town and it can provide hours of entertainment. Now, if any of you are like me and you are looking at doing some home improvements this summer, let me point out a few things that I think you should keep your eyes out on to help you out. Starting with the brushes, I would tell you to skip them. They are not good for cutting in or painting your walls. However, these paint trays are great to have on hand and such a good deal. I also really love these little paint cups to put your paint in, and the handle on them is fantastic. Now, I also really love these little kits. However, again, do not use the roller or paintbrush. They're great for little DIYs, but that tray, what a fantastic price, can't beat it. If you're looking for some more everyday decor, these new canvases that Dollar Tree has right now are absolutely stunning. There are different ones that you can put together in collections that would be perfect for any wall in your home. I absolutely love them. I personally have picked up a few of them to put in a bathroom. I think that these candle holders from Dollar Tree are so eye-catching. I love that you have this holographic, iridescent, but honestly, my favorite has to be this gold one. It still has a gold sheen on top, but the solid gold on bottom. It's just stunning. I did notice that Dollar Tree has these new candles. I think they have a really retro feel to them, and you also want to make sure that you pick up one of Dollar Tree's candle snuffers. They have these 4 different colors, and they are great to have on hand. With warmer weather, I always go on a cleaning spree, and if you do too, I want to tell you to skip these copper sponges. They are a big no-go for me because they leave this coppery residue in your sink when they get wet. Not only that, they tend to fall apart. Instead, you want to pick up these yellow scrubbers. They are great when they're cold, they are firm, but when they get warm with warm water, they get nice and soft. Absolutely love them. I am sure you know that Dollar Tree is a great place to pick up solar lights. They have so many ones to choose from. I absolutely love them. They are great for lighting your path so that no one trips when they are walking into your home. I personally have a few of them. Now, did you know that not only do they have the cool colored ones like you see here, but they actually have ones that have more of a warm glow, if that is your thing. And they have these really neat ones that you can place on your stairs, but these can also go like on your fence. Absolutely love the solar lights that you can grab at Dollar Tree. Now, one of my other favorite lights is this lamp. It is fantastic. It has 2 settings, a low and a high, and yes, it works great. So if you want this for a camping, just for fun for a kid, or if you're looking for something for those emergency situations, pick one of these up to have on hand. Dollar Tree is always surprising us with the new items in their Crafter Square, and right now they have these rings that I think are just fantastic. So many different projects you can create with them. I'm also really loving these wood dice. I can't wait to see all the different things that people do. Now, have you seen these metal ribbons? Yes, they are made of metal, and I think they are pretty neat. Another thing that I have loved are these easels. Not only can you put your pictures on them, but I actually took a couple of them and made this adorable little swing. Those are just a few of the new items that you can find in the Crafter Square. Of course, Dollar Tree has more fantastic deals than this, and if you want to see more of them, check out this video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!